my channel, All Things Natty and Corey. We have a family photo shoot coming up and we're wearing navy blue and burgundy. And unfortunately, it's last minute, so Corey's not able to find any burgundy bow ties. So I decided to go ahead and make a video and show you guys how I turn this standard tie into a bow tie. Okay, so we're gonna take this tip of the tie. There's this loop right here. You're gonna stick it underneath there, just the tip, just like that. Okay, you're gonna take your hand and place it on top this loop right here, close as you can get it with your pointer finger. And you're going to flap it on over. Okay, and then you're gonna flap it back over again this way. Make sure that you're not flapping it in this, see, you don't want this part sticking out further than this part. So you're gonna flap it back evenly. You're gonna create two flaps. This is one, two flaps on each side. So this is just one, so you gotta flap it over again. So now there's one flap, two flaps. One flap, two flaps. Okay, so at this point, you're gonna pinch the middle, and basically creating like a fold in the tie. And you're gonna grab it all, start from the bottom, keeping it folded from the pinch. Okay. Then you're gonna, where my thumb is, I'm gonna pass it underneath the pinch. Pull through. This is the point where you can tighten it as much as you want. Kind of fix it, play with it a little bit. Put the creases where you want them. The tighter you pull, the more creases you'll get. But this is going to be it. The back should looks like this. It's a double leaf bow tie. It's thick, and I really love these. Actually, better than the little thin ones that you buy in the store. And to tie it around your neck, this is the part you're gonna basically just pass this tip into the knot, or underneath the knot. Like that. See? And of course, you just tuck this right on underneath the collar of the shirt. So you won't even see this. And this is what you'll get. And like I said, you can always pull tighter to keep your bow creased exactly how you want it. And I'll show you guys a finished look once I place it on Corey with the collar shirt. But basically, this is it. Be back soon. Okay, and we're back, you guys. My husband is now going to go ahead and try on the tie. He also managed to pull it a little tighter than me so that it was able to create a deeper crease in the bow tie. But here we're just putting it on and showing you guys how it looks. Here is the finished look, and if you guys have enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.